The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Donetsk direction, the assault detachments continue to conduct the offensive against the enemy in the western part of Artyomovsk. The airborne troops were supporting the units and restraining Ukrainian military personnel on the flanks. The Russian aviation have made 8 sorties in this area during the day. Artillery of the EU group of forces has performed 95 firing missions overnight. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the Russian group of forces have hit the enemy manpower and military equipment close to Krasnoye, Kalinovka and Chasov Yar of Donetsk People's Republic. The enemy losses were up to 230 Ukrainian servicemen and mercenaries, 6 motor vehicles, 1 D-30 howitzer and 1 US-made AN-TPQ-50 counter-battery radar. 1 artillery ammunition depot of the Ukrainian 54th Mechanized Brigade has been destroyed near Kramatorsk of Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 421 airplanes, 230 helicopters, 4,074 unmanned aerial vehicles, 421 air defense missile systems, 9,069 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,098 fighting vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,787 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 10,124 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side from Kiev, the armed forces of Ukraine reported that 610 Russian soldiers were killed in the past 24 hours, including 4 tanks, 12 armored personnel carriers, and 3 shot-down drones. In total, the Kremlin lost 196,920 soldiers since the beginning of the full-scale aggression against Ukraine. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky swears to expel the Russian invaders from Ukrainian soil. Zelensky is preparing a large-scale counterattack plan to push back Russia. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 442 days. There are still not peace agreements between two sides.